Hello friends, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video and share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we're going to start the video. In this tutorial we discuss that today's a new tutorial is experiment with the path operations. Experiment with the path operations to achieve complex shape and selections. Number second, save path. Save path for the latter are export and vector shapes in Adobe Photoshop. Use the path for the operations. Use the path for the prices control over shapes and selections. I hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thanks.